Welcome back to the channel. Heading over to one of my favorite places this morning. It's early, nice morning here in New England. Going over to the New England Dragway to the swap meet, and we're gonna see what we can find over there today. I don't know, pretty excited. I love this swap meet. It's one of the last kind of old school, kind of old car swap meets in the area. Coming up on it here, I'll show you real quick. This here is the entrance to the Dragway. We're gonna go straight across. You can see people get here real early, go to this swap meet. There's that Chevy. He's not gonna look. He's just gonna drive away. And yeah, so all the racers are over here. Some of them probably spent the night. They're all lined up, ready to race. We're gonna go to the left over here and park. Ooh, look at that old Volvo. There's a Vanagon. That is cool. Wow, that is really cool. Just walking in, walking by this truck here. Love the bed. That's cool. All right, this is where you walk in here. You can see some old cars over here. There's one for sale over here. I'm gonna start over here to the left and see what we can find. Fiberglass front end. All right, let's start digging. What we got here? Crosley. These are funny. There's all sorts of good stuff here today, guys. I'm not even a tenth of the way through. Alright, I'm gonna walk down this other side, see what else we can find. That's cool.
What year is the Chief?
48.
Oh. How you doing?
That's cool. 48 Chief. That's good. Wow. Sounds nice.
Guy in Pelham's got the exact same car, same color.
Is it him?
No. Yeah, it's a little cleaner than that.
This is quite interesting. I think someone drives it while the other person runs it. That's what you can do with a snowblower. It's on the right. Gas pedal's always on the right. Yep.
I think your brakes are you're on your own.
I think you're on your own. Use your foot. Yeah, it doesn't go fast enough yet. Oh, nice. Oh, you can do it from there we go. Good thinking.
Those skis are go with it too. I never got a chance to put those on.
Or you give that to your wife when she thinks you're being stupid.
She yells at you.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Get on this and go for a ride.
My wife told me this morning, don't buy anything stupid. I said, well, that's just motivation to buy something dumb.
Right.
God Rogers 32 by 28 was down.
Red line.
That's still good. But ain't no spots like that, just keep them.
Some cars for sale over here. I'm looking at this Mustang. It's got some custom stuff going on here. We got 6-cylinder. Monte Carlo SS. Pretty clean. That's what it is. Sign's great. I don't want to know the price on that.
The head, does it have a hard shape?
Good stuff here, guys. All cylinder heads. Wow.
taking off. Head back out of the parking lot. Gotta get some good finds there. Let's find my truck. Still like that a lot. My old Dodge. That thing's great.
She wrote her own 13 states, one province.
I got a few things, nothing crazy. Just some shop supplies, I guess. But yeah, that's it for today, and just kind of nice Sunday to come out and do a little exploring, see what's out there, see some old friends. So yeah, I'm gonna end it there, and hope you guys enjoy this a little bit. Just be a quick video for you, but okay, guys, please subscribe. You like what you're seeing, and we'll see you next time. All right, take care.